morning everyone, my name is Ignesh. I am studying in 10th class at KB school. Today I am presenting making chemical equation more informative. Physical steps. A different states, either gases, liquids, solids. They are denoted by G denotes gases, L denotes liquids, S denotes solids. Example, Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives rise to 2Fe plus Al2O3. Heat changes, exothermic or endothermic change. Exothermic reaction that gives out heat. Example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus delta. Endothermic reaction that absorbs heat. Example, N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO minus delta. Precipitate form, a solid formed in a chemical reaction. Example, BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives rise to BaCl2 BaCl2 downward arrow plus 2NaCl gives a gas evolved. Gas formed in a reaction. Example, Zn plus H2SO4 plus ZnSO4 plus H2 upward arrow. Thank you.